I always wanted to open a Dior box, gift box like this. This is so satisfying. This looks like an ordinary box, but just look at this. This is Dior. And even the carton inside has these Dior things going on here. I'm very excited to open this box. Let's take this out here. The first thing I see is this Dior envelope, and I think this has the receipts and everything inside. Yeah, that's it. Let me move the outer box and keep this one here. This is so pretty. Dior really knows the art of gifting. I wanted to open this, but I think I'll just slide this one here. And then there is another envelope which has Dior written over it. Okay, this is something from my husband. This is for me. Now comes the most exciting part. I have seen many YouTubers open this, and I always wanted to do this, to remove this paper or open this paper here. This is so satisfying. The very first thing I see is this white Dior pouch, which looks very pretty. Let's see what's inside. I think these are perfume samples. I see two of them. One is Dior Homme, and this one is Miss Dior. I'm just going to keep them here for now, and let's see again. This is a deluxe sample of Dior mascara. I'm going to keep it here as well. And then here is this one, this mini or deluxe sample of Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. I'm going to keep this one as well here. Now let's take out this one, and this is Dior Forever Nude Matte Filter. This is their compact powder. I'm so excited to look at this one. Wow, just look at this. This is luxury. Let's open this. Wow, I am going to make separate videos on each of these products. Now I'm going to keep this back for now. And then we take out our next product, which is Dior Forever Skin Perfect. This one is blush. Let's see. Oh no, sorry, this is their stick foundation. Dior Forever Skin Perfect Stick Foundation. Let's look at this. This looks so pretty. I think I got this one in shade 2N. I had 3N from before, but I felt it was a bit dark for me. But I can make swatch videos comparing 2N and 3N. And here is our next product. This one is blush. Dior Forever Blush Soft Filter. Let's look at this. I got this in the shade Hibiscus. Hope I am opening this correctly. Yeah, finally I did it. This is such a pretty shade. I can't wait to apply this one. Let's put this one back as well. Let's open this mascara and see how it's looking. Wow, just look at this. The wand looks so pretty. It's curved. And this one, the mini lip maximizer. Oh, this is so cute. This is so tiny. I just realized that I opened it from the bottom. And now I'm going to close this and just keep it back. And again, this is these two are perfume samples. Now, this big box, what is this? Let's open this one. Well, actually I know what is this one, but I don't know what type and color it will be. This is, wow, look at this. I got this in red color and this looks so pretty. This is Dior makeup bag. I got this one as a free gift. Let's open this one and look at the hardware. Even this has Dior written over it. So pretty. I'll remove all these papers here and wow, look at this. I'm so happy. This bag has all the Christian Dior classic logo, and this Dior, it looks so pretty. I'm going to keep this bag here and just take a moment to look at everything. Wow. Let's put everything that I received in this makeup bag. Here is the blush, the foundation, mascara. What's this one? Was that lip maximizer? Yeah. The perfume samples. Yeah, my compact powder. And then this one more perfume sample. And then this mini Dior pouch that the samples came in. I'm very happy with this one. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and also tell me what you want to see next. Till then, take care. Bye.